Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. Want to show behind the scenes of the free DeFi as a business course. I really want you to get your hands on it. Please let me know in the comments because I'm going to stop talking about it soon. We've had over 2,500 people now take it, and my inbox has been flooded with people actually getting results, and this thing is free. Now, yes, like all free things, we're going to invite you into the UIG because you can accelerate your results. But if you're like, what is all this DeFi stuff about? I'm going to show you. I am back in the office as well. Flew back from LA last night. Happy to be home and happy to keep creating content, both for YouTube and obviously we double, triple down inside the UIG. We share 6 positions every single week with research done right now inside the Underdog Investor Group. And as all of our clients, members, and us included are in over 50 positions, and you get access to everyone's portfolio. So that's pretty cool. DeFi as a business, please let me know in the comments. Please let me know in the comments if you want access. The DeFi as a business course is going to take us through the foundations. So what actually is a DeFi business? How do we make money in DeFi? Where do the fees come from? How does the business actually make money? Really understanding the zoomed out approach to financial freedom and how we can use DeFi to cash flow us to buy back our time. And we talk about the velocity of money, which is a concept that I talk about often because it's that damn important. Then we talk about the opportunities. So all the different ways we can make money in DeFi, lending, borrowing, real world assets, fractional real estate, liquidity pools, yield farming. And people are like, well, aren't liquidity pools and yield farming the same thing? Not really. Liquidity pools, the strategy we use would be a form of yield farming, but you can also yield farm in many different ways. We're producing yield, and we're basically, you can think of it as a farm, and we're growing different crops. And then all we have to do is water those crops, and those crops keep producing. Instead of wheat and spinach or whatever the hell farms do, we produce cash in all seriousness. So that's pretty damn cool. And then we actually have a safety masterclass to ensure that, so most people, when they leave the whole rug pull degen world, which I don't know why you're still in it, they lose money because of human error or hacks and exploits, not from the protocol, not rug pulls, nothing of that nature, but they have very poor security. And I've seen people in this space for they've been in it for 3-4 years and their security still sucks. And so this is worth checking out. Then we talk about how do we actually make money? So how do I run my DeFi business? Our 7 rules of entering a liquidity pool, where to find the opportunities. We actually enter some pools together, which is pretty cool. We review some DeFi portfolios. We talk about exits and laddering out. And we also talk about tools. Now, if you're someone who's like, hey, free stuff is great, but I just want community, I want support, the UIG is the next step. And a lot of people just join the UIG instead. But in the UIG, we actually have community, we have Q&As, we have daily live calls, we answer your questions real time. We support you if you're brand new to it in the Your First Dollar in DeFi. We're going to help you make your first dollar in DeFi, and you have a ton of support in ensuring you get there. The DeFi Earner Portfolio Challenge takes us from wherever you're at to 6 figures plus in DeFi income. Yes, a ton of members, and you can see all their wins are earning 6 figures plus in DeFi income. It has become their full-time gig and their full-time business. Pretty cool. Portfolio review section, maybe one of the most valuable sections we have, where you can actually go through members' portfolios. Some are in 6 positions, some are in 12, some are in 20. Some have very complex tracking systems, but like here, my portfolio and how I'm using DeFi as my bank. This is huge. This is huge. People are making a full-time income and they're treating their portfolios like a bank. This is what we're fundamentally doing. You get to see their positions, their ranges, what they're doing, etc. And we have some ballers in here, like some ballers. This guy's doing almost 4% per day, wild, in 14 different positions. So good. So you get access to all that, and we're always talking about different positions. We have a end of week call every single week where we actually cover 3 new positions every week, TA, research, all done for you. And we have the DeFi investor group where every single week a new opportunity is shared. As you can see here, a new opportunity is shared with a ton of research done to it and all these opportunities we get into. And so you can easily have access pretty quickly to 15 or 20 different opportunities. We don't want you. We want you picking just the top 2 or 3 and keeping a nice tight portfolio. But there are limitless options. And I don't know. It's super, super awesome. I'm proud of what this community stands for, what we built, which is why I always talk about it. And I know what we have. And so, anywho, with that said, Grab the DeFi as a business course. We're already working on our second course. That's going to be a money mindset manifestation course. You know, I'm really big on that when it comes to the actual who we have to become in order to create the life and the business and the DeFi portfolio that we need to. And most people aren't seeing success in this game because they're still clinging on to old money beliefs, scarcity, etc. And they're not willing to move past that in order to build the life and the business that they actually want. And so we talk about a lot of that in the UIG, but I also know it'll be a big service to design this free course. Once you join one free course, you're just going to get instant access to all the new free courses we design. So let me know in the comments if you want it, or if you're just ready to rip. I want to deploy capital. I want community. I don't want to wait anymore. I don't want to do this stuff myself. I want support. I want help. I want community. Come join us in the UIG, and I'll leave links for all of that below. With that said, I'm going to get out of here, and let's take things even a step further here. I'm going to leave some videos here and here and here and here. Study this stuff, like these videos, subscribe to the channel, and just spend an hour or two studying this stuff. If kind of free is your MO, then dive in deep, but actually use it. Sometimes when something is free, people just don't see the value in it. There's over 500 videos on this YouTube channel right now. Dive in, study a few. With that said, I'm going to get out of here. Appreciate you. Peace.